Hey everyone, just popping on here real quick to say thank you to everybody who participated last night in Star Teachers guided meditation as we went through the spring equinox energetic portal. And we did a lot of transformational work for ourselves and planet Earth and all of humanity. So if you couldn't attend live, it's posted everywhere. It's on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook pages and on my website. So let me know if you can't find it. I'll steer you there. But I highly recommend you listen to it and participate that way, because the energy will continue to amplify and ramp up and affect not just you positively, but the planet and all of our inhabitants on the planet. I've been getting nothing but just a flood of messages all day long, all night long, from people all over the world who did participate live, and they just said it was quite miraculous, and that actually there were some healings that happened, and a lot of life-altering things have happened in the last 20 hours or so since we did that. For myself included, I as you know, I don't hear what happens when I channel for the most part. So I listened to it today when I got the file, and I had a very extraordinary personal experience myself. So go find it, and it'll be linked down below too when I publish this little announcement. Anyway, just real quick, I wanted to just check in with everyone, see how you're all doing, and just let you know that from my heart, I know that these are trying times. It's very stressful. Everything's up in the air. Go listen to that video though, because there's a lot of answers that came through about it. But also, my heart's been heavy because I know that just like myself, you know, everything's kind of confusing. We don't know where we're going. We don't know what our financial situation is going to be like. We don't know what our infrastructure is going to be like. We don't know if we have a job today or tomorrow, what our health's going to be like. So a lot of you have been wanting to get sessions with me, take advantage of all the services that I do offer. And as you know, I was off for a couple of months because I was dealing with some serious issues, health-wise and otherwise in my life. And so I think I've caught up with almost everyone now. I may have a couple more clients, but I do have space and now I have extra time. So I decided to put this out there. Up until further notice, I will be offering most of my services on a pay-as-you-can basis, a law of offering basis. And of course, I have to make a living too. I have to be able to buy food and you know, pay for my bills too. But no one will be turned away for any reasonable offering. And if you don't have any cash at all and you can't help with that kind of reciprocity, still hit me up and we'll figure something out. If it's very important to you to have this work done, then we'll find a way to do it. So there are a couple of services that I offer that aren't on a law of offering basis, but they are very deeply discounted. So just go to my website, check out all the services, and you'll see the different things there. And if you wish to have something, go ahead and make an appointment. And if you have a question, just email me or text me, and we'll work it out. Okay, so this is part of the new paradigm, everybody. I've been told, we've been being told for the last couple of years that our current financial system, in fact, all of our constructs that we're so used to, just aren't working anymore, and we have to come up with new things or reinvent ways of doing things that are more equitable. So I truly believe that we are all moving towards a different way of procuring services from each other, and helping each other live in a happy way. So I'm just doing my part, and I hope you will enjoy being able to interact with me and the teachers and your guides, and enjoy the healing and the discovery and all of the energy stuff that we do, quantum hypnosis. Just go look at the website. You'll see all the things I do. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And please keep your vibration very high. Enjoy the newness of this change in our existence, the way we live. And don't go into a fear place. That's the big message. Love everyone, serve everyone, and let's invent something new together. Namaste, and I love you.